Nagsimula na ang burol ng namayapang si Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile. Ang ilan sa mga kaibigan ng dating Senate President, sinariwa ang alaala kasama si Manong Johnny. Si Gab Villegas sa sentro ng balita.
Ilan sa mga naunang nagbigay ng kanyang eulogy sa isinagawang necrological service ay ang aktres at direktor na si Bebet Orteza. Isa sa mga ibinahagi ni Bebet ang dahilan kung bakit lagi umanong nakapaa si Manong Johnny sa kanilang bahay.
Tito Johnny, bakit ka nakapaa? Because it's good for my memory. When I walk here in my house and I'm barefoot, my mind goes back to the time when I was so poor, I could not afford to buy slippers or shoes. So when I'm barefoot like this, I remember so many things.
Ibinahagi rin ni Bebet ang kwento sa kanya ni Manong Johnny kung paano niya unang nakilala ang kanyang ama sa unang pagkakataon.
Natakot daw siya kasi lahat ng mga tao pumapasok sa isang maliit na kwarto. Pagkatapos magsasarado daw yung pintuan ng nung kwarto, tapos pagbukas uli, iba na yung taon lalabas. Sabi ng Tito Johnny sa akin, you know, they did not tell me in Cagayan that there was such a thing as an elevator.
Ibinahagi naman ng anak ni Bebet na si Rafa Sigyon Reyna na palaging nagkukwento ang kanyang lola na si Armida Sigyon Reyna patungkol sa kanyang kapatid.
Every time she spoke about him, her eyes would light up. She carried such fondness, pride, and deep affection for her brother. That warmth stayed with me all my life.
Ikinwento rin niya ang mga sandali na kinausap niya ang kanyang lolo Johnny para kuning ninong sa kasal nito.
For me, asking him to be our ninong wasn't just a wedding gesture. It was a bridge, a way to reconnect with a side of my family that I didn't grow up close to, but one that I am deeply proud to belong to. That connection is something I will carry with me for the rest of my life.
Ang bunsong kapatid naman ni JPE na si Winnie, ikinwento kung paano niya unang nakilala ang kanyang kuya.
I finally met him in high school in my hometown of Aparri. Our barangay was celebrating a festival and he was the guest of honor. I remember being nervous. Talagang parang natatakot ako sa kanya. Unsure, almost starstruck. Not because he was a public figure, but because this was my brother.
Ikinwento rin ng bunsong kapatid ni Manong Johnny ang mga panahon na nagnanais siya na maging independent at gustong magkaroon ng trabaho noong panahong defense minister ang kanyang kuya.
He called one of his staff and said, with a tone I will never forget, "This is my sister. She wants to work, but she will not. She will go to school and make sure of it." That was the first time I ever heard him say it out loud, "This is my sister."
Gab Villegas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.